Some fellow gamers, are you facing the frustrating PS5 Slim system software issue error CE-108262-9? So that's hindering your gaming experience. So fear not, as in this comprehensive guide, we will diving deep into troubleshooting steps to help you overcome this error and get back to gaming bliss on your PS5 Slim. So let's embark on this journey and together to resolve the pesky system software issue and unleash the full potential of the console. So the first solution is update system software. So the method one is go to settings and then system. Here you will see system software. After that select system software update and setting and then select update system software. If there is an update available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Method 2. Go to the official PlayStation website and download the latest system software update. Create a folder called PS5 on your USB drive. Within the PS5 folder, create another folder called update. And then move the downloaded system software update file into the updated folder. And then save the file as ps5 update.pup. And then plug the USB drive into your PS5 and go to settings and then systems and then here find system software. After that system software update and setting and then select update from USB storage device and follow the prompts to install the update. Solution 2. Disable HDMI device link. Go to settings and then system. Here you will find HDMI. Select HDMI device link and then toggle it off. Solution 3. Disable rest mode. Go to settings and then system and here you will find power saving. And here select set time until PS5 enter rest mode. For during media playback, select don't put in rest mode. For while playing games, select don't put in rest mode. Solution 4. Clear cache. Press and hold the power button on the console until it beep second time and connect a controller to the console using a USB cable. And then press the PS button on the controller and then select clear cache and rebuild database. After that select clear system software cache and then wait for the console to restart. Solution 5. Rebuild database. Press and hold the power button on the console until it beeps twice and connect a controller to the console using a USB cable. And then press the PS button on the controller and then select clear cache and rebuild database. And then select clear cache and rebuild database and then select rebuild database and wait for the console to restart. Solution 6. Contact PlayStation support. So, if you are still unable to resolve this error code, it's time to contact PlayStation support. They have dedicated team of experts who can help you troubleshoot and resolve any issue you are facing. Visit the PlayStation website or give them a call to get personalized assistant. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you are back to gaming it's in on time. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in next video.